So guys, for 2 weeks now, or 3 weeks, I've not cleaned my fridge, so I want to do a thorough cleaning right now. So join me, come in, join. I want to clean fridge. I have to remove all this and then clean the whole thing. I have beans. I cook beans. See, beans. I like beans so much, especially beans and rice. Porridge beans with rice. So I'll take away all this. I'm gonna bring them out. I have to off the fridge first so that the whole thing will dissolve because why a lot of like thoroughly cleaning. Okay, that's it. It's garbage and then this fruit. Another lemon. You cleans out. So I have to go wash all this. The carrot is old. I bought a new carrot. So I'll take this into this and wash it. So first of all, I have to clean this. This is very, very dirty. Where is the glass? I have this glass melt to take this thing away. And come in, let me take this to the kitchen. Okay, I have to melt this. Let's see it will come. Okay, it's nice. Look at. Ooh. Oh, I left you guys for. So I put soap inside this water. I'll use it to just clean it small. Okay, this is absolutely nice. That's it. So I'm going to get the clean water to now clean it very well. So I'll use this rag to clean it. This is black rag, so it's not dirty. So this is it. I'm going to go wash the other one and then show you the end of it. So guys, it's time to wash the fridge plate. I have to wash this one. I don't know what they call this one, but this is fruit pack. You put fruits here. So it's time to couple it. I hope I get it right. Just have to put them. So you meant this one. That's it. This is my empty fridge. I'm done cleaning. So